Starting a business abroad, essential tips for entrepreneurial travelers. Do you dream of building a business while exploring the world? Starting a business abroad can be an incredible way to merge entrepreneurship with a lifestyle of adventure. However, it's not without challenges. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about launching a successful business abroad, giving you the tools to transform your idea into a reality. Starting a business in a foreign country may sound like stepping into uncharted waters, but it has numerous benefits. Expanding into an international market opens doors to untapped customer bases, unique business opportunities, and the chance to bring innovation to new communities. Entrepreneurship abroad also provides the opportunity to learn from diverse cultures, adapt to different economies, and grow both professionally and personally. It's not just about the financial rewards, it's about embracing a global mindset and creating something meaningful in a culturally diverse environment. One of the first and most vital steps when starting a business abroad is understanding the legal framework of your chosen country. Laws vary widely from one place to another, and failing to comply can derail your plans before you even get started. Research the requirements for obtaining business visas and work permits. Investigate the process for registering your business and ensure it aligns with local legal standards. Consulting with a local legal expert who understands the business environment can save you time and effort as you navigate these regulations. Taxes are a crucial part of doing business anywhere, but they can be particularly complex overseas. Take time to familiarize yourself with the country's tax codes, including income tax rates, corporate taxes, and any potential incentives for foreign investors. Hiring a local tax consultant or accountant is highly advisable. They can guide you in making informed decisions while ensuring your business complies with tax regulations, helping you avoid liabilities later on. Deep and thorough market research is the foundation of any successful business, especially abroad. Start by analyzing your target country's market to understand consumer habits, preferences, and pain points. What products or services are in demand? What approaches do competitors use? Leverage local resources, such as government economic reports or business associations, to get insider knowledge. Additionally, consider reaching out to potential customers through surveys, focus groups, or social media polls to gather first-hand data. Beyond the numbers, cultural differences play a significant role in your success. Every market has unique customs and expectations. Respecting these cultural nuances can help you build trust and establish positive relationships with customers, employees, and partners. For example, some cultures value formal business interactions, while others lean towards more casual approaches. Take time to study local etiquette and market norms. This not only helps you avoid missteps but also demonstrates your commitment to integrating into the community. Networking is essential when starting a business abroad. Establishing connections in the local community can provide valuable insights and open up opportunities. Start by attending business events, trade shows, and professional meetups. Expat networks can also be a great resource. Many entrepreneurs abroad find support systems in these groups that share advice, experiences, and reliable contacts. Networking doesn't just build professional relationships, it fosters a sense of belonging in your new environment. Mentorship can be a game changer. Seeking guidance from experienced local mentors who understand the nuances of operating businesses in your selected country will help you navigate challenges and avoid costly mistakes. You can connect with mentors through chambers of commerce, local business organizations, or programs specifically designed for new entrepreneurs. Don't hesitate to ask for advice. Most experienced business owners are happy to share their insights. Flexibility is key when launching a business abroad. What works in your home country might not resonate in another. Your business plan should reflect the unique economic, cultural, and market conditions of the place where you'll operate. For example, adjust your pricing strategies, service delivery methods, and product offerings to suit the preferences and purchasing power of local customers. A well-tailored business model increases your chances of success exponentially. Language can be a barrier or an opportunity. While fluency in the language of your target market isn't always required, it can be enormously helpful in fostering trust and connecting with your audience. Consider taking language classes or hiring multilingual staff to bridge the communication gap. When necessary, partner with professional interpreters for business negotiations or customer interactions. Strong financial planning is non-negotiable. A key step is managing multi-currency systems. Fluctuations in exchange rates can impact your profits. Consider using tools or services that help you monitor currency changes and manage transactions efficiently. Set up a local business bank account to simplify day-to-day operations. This also makes it easier for customers and suppliers to work with you. Being financially organized is the backbone of a sustainable business. Not sure how to finance your business? Explore all available options. Some countries offer programs to attract foreign entrepreneurs, including grants or low-interest loans. Research government initiatives, venture capital funds, and crowdfunding platforms geared towards startups. Additionally, evaluate foreign investment programs that could provide additional monetary support. Risks are inevitable, especially in uncharted waters. Prepare for unexpected challenges by including contingency expenses in your budget. Economic downturns, regulatory changes, or fluctuating logistics costs are just a few potential hurdles. A financial safety net ensures that temporary setbacks won't sink your entire operation. Every country has its fair share of bureaucracy, which can feel overwhelming if you're unfamiliar with local systems. Whether it's licensing, inspections, or permits, compliance is non-negotiable. Streamline logistics where possible by seeking professional advice or hiring local experts to handle regulatory hurdles for you. Their knowledge can save you time and frustration. Strategic partnerships can be a powerful way to grow your business abroad. Look for potential collaborators, from suppliers to local businesses, who can complement your product or service. These partnerships not only expand your reach, but also enhance your credibility in the local market. Choose partners carefully to ensure long-term mutual benefit. Understanding the nuances of local labor laws is critical when building your team. Learn about minimum wage regulations, employee benefits, and legal hiring practices. Finding talented local staff can enhance your business's adaptability and help you connect with customers more effectively. Treat your employees fairly and establish a healthy work culture. It will pay dividends in customer satisfaction and overall productivity. Your marketing strategies should align with local trends, media habits, and customer preferences. In some countries, traditional advertising methods like television and newspapers dominate, while others rely heavily on digital platforms. Create a localized marketing plan that resonates with your audience. Leverage social media channels, local events, and collaborations with influencers to build brand awareness. In today's tech-driven world, a strong digital presence is essential. Design a website tailored to local users and optimize it for search engines in your target country. Encourage local reviews and feedback to cultivate trust. By effectively utilizing online platforms, you can reach customers even when you're physically distant. Exceptional customer service builds loyalty, especially in a new market. Train your team to address local customer concerns empathetically and professionally. Offering support in local languages or through familiar mediums, such as popular messaging apps, can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction. Technology simplifies running a business remotely or across borders. Invest in communication tools to stay in touch with your team, project management software to track progress, and accounting platforms to manage finances seamlessly. These tools streamline operations and give you more time to focus on growth. Compliance isn't a one-and-done process. Stay informed about changes to business regulations and tax laws. Conduct regular compliance audits to ensure you're legally operating in your chosen country. Keeping your business up to date with legal requirements protects you from penalties and safeguards your operations. Consumers worldwide increasingly value ethical companies. Embrace sustainability by using eco-friendly practices in your operations, reducing waste, or supporting renewable energy initiatives. Additionally, giving back to the community, whether through charity or collaborations, builds goodwill and strengthens your presence in the local market. Hearing from those who have successfully started businesses abroad can provide motivation and practical insights. Study real-life examples to learn strategies that worked and mistakes to avoid. Many expat entrepreneurs have found creative ways to blend their skills with market needs, proving that the possibilities are endless with the right mindset. Starting a business abroad isn't without its struggles. Culture shock, language barriers, and adapting to the pace of a foreign market can take a toll. Approach every challenge with resilience and an open mind. Difficulties can be opportunities to grow and adapt in ways that ultimately benefit your business. It's easy to lose yourself in the demands of starting a business, especially in a new country. However, maintaining work-life balance is vital for long-term success. Dedicate time for personal growth, relaxation, and connecting with loved ones. A healthy entrepreneur builds a healthy business. Once your business is established, explore opportunities for expansion. Scaling might involve adding new product lines, opening additional locations, or even branching out into neighboring markets. Adapt your scaling strategy based on local resources, trends, and customer feedback to achieve sustainable growth. Every entrepreneur should plan for the long term. Whether it's selling the business, passing it to local management, or scaling back operations, having an exit strategy helps you make well-rounded decisions. Plan for a smooth transition that doesn't disrupt operations or relationships. Before venturing abroad, double-check your research, remain adaptable, and prepare for the unexpected. Patience and resilience are as crucial as any business plan. Your entrepreneurial journey abroad is more than just a professional venture, it's a life-changing adventure. If you're ready to leap into this exciting journey, don't hesitate. Share your questions or experiences in the comments. Explore the resources we've linked to further educate yourself. Starting a business abroad might seem like a daunting task, but with preparation, persistence, and adaptability, it can lead to incredible opportunities. By blending passion and practicality, you can create not just a business, but a new way of life. Take the leap, the world is waiting. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.